As AI and cloud workloads surge, it's no longer just about speed. It's about how efficiently you connect it all. Introducing the XPO OverPass assembly from Amphenol, a high-performance interconnect designed to unlock the full power of 12.8 terabit XPO-LPO optical transceivers, with the ability to connect 128 differential pairs and route 64 high-speed lanes. OverPass delivers the critical link between your transceiver, chip, and backplane. Achieve up to 4 times the front I/O density compared to traditional OSFP solutions, enabling massive bandwidth scaling without compromise. Built for open compute project architectures, OverPass enables up to 204.8 terabits per second per rack, powering the next generation of AI clusters and hyperscale data centers. Designed with 30 and 32 AWG cable options and lengths up to 2 meters, it offers unmatched routing flexibility while maintaining reliable, high-speed performance. Seamlessly integrates with Amphenol's UltraPass, UltraPass HD, UltraPass XR, Extreme Pass, and Paladin HD 2 backplane connectors, giving system designers the freedom to build at scale. Engineered for signal integrity in dense environments, OverPass ensures consistent, high-speed performance across even the most demanding applications. From chip to front panel, the XPO OverPass assembly connects it all, maximizing the value of your XPO-LPO investment.